Namaste. Welcome to Yoga Break. As we sit up tall, let's scoop ourselves a little bit forward. Both sit bones pressing, feet pressing. Check your big toes in line with your heels, relaxing your hands to your thighs. Close your eyes for a moment and lifting up your heart forward and up. Breathe in deeply through your nose. Open mouth. Release it out. Blink your eyes open, extending arms straight forward and up toward to the sky. And now interlacing your fingers over your head and push your palms up high. Exhale, rotating your wrists all the way down by your side. That feels good. Let's do it once more. This time push your palms forward and up. Slight back bend, gazing up. Exhale, circling your wrists all the way down by your side. You may hold onto your armrests or down to your chair and take gentle head roll. Other direction. Very nice. And come back to the center. Pull your right knee, close your chest, hold behind your leg. Let's not lean back, but lifting up your chest forward. Go ahead, circling your ankle. Whether you're bare feet right now or wearing shoes, feel your toes. Get them nice and wide open. Other direction. Very good. Lifting up to your chest, breathe in. Exhale, see if you can extending legs straight a little bit forward and up toward to the sky. Keep on lengthening your spine, crown of your head reaching up. And now rebend your knee. Let's do it once more. Exhale, extending straight forward and up. Feel your hamstrings, calf. Nice. Rebend your knee. Open your inner thigh with your hip, dropping your ankle on top of your left thigh. Hold onto your right leg. So one hand on your knee, one hand down to your ankle, and we go seated cats and cows. Inhale, lean forward, push your belly, chest, and gazing up. Hugging your elbows next to your torso, pull the shoulders back. Exhale, rounding your spine one vertebra at a time. Lean back more, chin to the chest. Inhale, once more, seated cow. Exhale, seated cat. Very good. And as you come back to neutral, I want you to hold onto your foot with both hands and lifting up to your chest toward to the left side. And as you exhale, lean forward and down toward to your foot. Very good. Let's do it once more. Inhale, spine tall. Exhale, lean forward and down toward to your foot. Good job. And now come back to the center. Heel toe, bring your bottom foot close toward to the middle and your upper leg cross, knee to knee close together. Extending your spine, lengthen more. Exhale, lean forward and down. So your belly on top of your thigh, dropping your arms down heavy, dropping your head and neck down heavy. If you can take it a little bit more, wrap your arms around your legs and feel your shoulder blades as you think about doing slight cat right now. So push your upper back up toward to the sky, chin to the chest. Stay one more breath. Let's add once more. Very nice. Releasing your arms and come up. Uncross your leg and shake it out. Good job. Moving on to the other side. Hold onto your left leg. Pull yourself up. Pull your leg up. Go ahead, lifting up to your chest, circling your ankle. Shoulders soften, elbows relaxed. We're here to release tension from the neck and shoulders. So be relaxed and soften. Other direction. Breathe in. Exhale, gently push your heel forward and up toward to the sky. Let's do it again. Inhale. Rebend the knee. Exhale, extending straight forward and up. Good job. And now as you bend your knee, carefully externally rotating your hip and ankle on top of your thigh. Hold onto your knee with your ankle and let's go through seated cats and cows. You might find one hip feels different than the other side. Bringing a little more awareness during this break time in your body, in your breath. Let's go through one more round, cats and cows. And slowly come back to neutral. Hold onto your foot with both hands and lifting up to your chest, turn a little toward your left foot. And then as you exhale, lean forward and down, resting your head and neck down. Keep going, few rounds. Once more. Well done. And now as you come back to the center, let's cross your knee to knee, really close together. So think about eagle legs. So as you really squeezing your knee to knee, hold onto your upper leg and lifting up to your chest. Exhale, lean forward and down. Dropping your arms heavy, head and neck down heavy. If you can add a little bit more, wrap your arms around your legs and hold onto your opposite arms. And then again, gently push your upper back up toward the sky, slight rounding like a cat, chin to the chest. Stay 2 more. Very good. Let's carefully release and come up, one vertebra at a time. Uncross your legs and shake it out. Adding one more before we finish. Open your legs as wide as you could, pressing your feet, hold onto your thighs. Lifting up, big breath in. As you exhale, gently push your inner thigh, twisting and look over to your left shoulder. Beautiful. Come back to the center. Exhale, carefully push, drop the shoulder, and relax, gazing over to your right shoulder. Good job. And come back to the center. Legs together, interlacing your fingers again, pushing up and up, forward and up. Big sigh, arms down, by your side. Thank you so much for taking this short break for your health and wellness. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I'll see you again on the next class. Namaste.